Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's Garage. I want to show you my latest project. I was needing a shed, and I had originally considered building a shed, and I considered buying one already made. Then of course the problem: how do you get it to your house? You're gonna have to pay somebody to carry it out there, and then if you do set it someplace, maybe you'll want to move it later, and how do you drag that thing around? They usually have skids on them, but still you're gonna have to drag it around somehow. And then the thought occurred to me, maybe I should just buy an enclosed trailer. So I started looking at various enclosed trailers, and lo and behold, this thing came up, and I'd never seen one before. It's a Hale trailer from Sherman, Texas, built in 1980. It's all steel and was custom ordered without any windows in it. You can see it's got steel panels in it. Kind of an odd duck. Anyways, I bought this thing and put a paint job on it. It had come with a ladder rack, had a couple of H tubing pieces that went across the top from side to side, and I took those off just because they were sticking up so high. Kind of a neat trailer. I like the classic look with all the aluminum. It's very nice. They put the rock shield down here because back in the day these things were all painted with acrylic enamel and they tend to chip up. Here's the factory VIN decal, which was gone. I had it reproduced, but you can see it's made in August 1980. There's your VIN number, and it tells you the gross vehicle weight and all that. And I had the Hale original logo reproduced. This trailer's had 4 paint jobs. This is the 4th paint job. You'll find the VIN number on these is right down here. I'd sanded all of it off. You can't really see it now, but it was right there. Hale trailer's kind of neat. They have they're like the only guys that use this single piece of pipe coming out the front. Obviously they're stacked right here and then gusseted together, but if you see a horse trailer with that design, you'll know right away that it's a Hale. Somebody did change out the coupler. This one here is a 5000 GVWR coupler, so you can see it right there. Anyway, pretty cool trailer. It's got let's see if I can back this up. Doors on the side here, very convenient. I think this was owned by a place that did guttering at one time, and of course there's a shelves in here to do whatever you want to do. I've got it stored. A lot of the stuff I just couldn't fit all this in my my garage anymore. It just got to be too full, so really needed a shed. I put these Ford Thunderbird hubcaps on here. They look pretty good. This is a 77 to 79 Ford Thunderbird. Looked all right. And then on the back side we got barn doors. It's all custom, and this is all very nice. Heavy duty stuff, man. This trailer is 45 years old and still in very good condition. Got pins down here to lock it in. All steel. It's got 1 inch by 1 inch steel tubing. Got some cubby holes here. I rewired it, put all the wires on the inside. It's got some lights, factory lights in it. Very nice. Anyway, if you're looking to buy a shed, maybe just buy one of these old horse trailers and panel up the windows, and then you can move it whenever you want to move it, and if you need a U-Haul for some reason, it can always double as a U-Haul, right? So anyway, that's the Hale trailer. It's my new shed. I got it up on cinder blocks right now. I'll probably put it back down and then put some gravel underneath there so the weeds don't grow up. But that's my latest project. Like I said, I stripped it down. Well, not completely stripped it down, but I stripped down all the seams and ground them out, and used a 4.5 inch stripping disc on a grinder to take all the rust off and back to bare metal. Same thing on the roof. Sealed all the seams with polyurethane sealant, Sika brand. I got it from Lowe's. And then primed it with enamel primer, and then went over that with 2 coats of acrylic enamel fleet white. And should make a pretty good shed. Anyway, that's it from Brian's Garage. Just wanted to share my my new shed with you.